Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 18th of December. And first of all, national news. Parliament panel suggested changes in law to tackle monument encroachment. PM Modi paid tribute to Sikh Guru Tegh Bahadur, called him beacon of courage. Attacks against shipping vessels cannot go unanswered, French foreign minister said. Kashmir's Gulmarg turned into a winter wonderland after fresh snowfall. Citizens must stay healthy for India to become third largest economy. Weep. No need for any concern, Kerala minister on COVID subvariant ZN.1. UP is now a revenue surplus state with 56% of its population employed. And now, international news. Over 50 migrants rescued from sinking boat off Lebanon coast. UN declared 2024 as Year of Camelids. The blockaded Gaza Strip had 24 operational health facilities before the war. Blue Origin needs me. Jeff Bezos on stepping down as Amazon CEO. Now, sports news. Bangladesh outplayed United Arab Emirates by 195 runs to win Under 19 Asia Cup 2023. Nathan Leon joined the 500 wicket club in Test cricket on Sunday. Pat Cummins came into the 2024 edition of IPL as Australia's ODI World Cup winning captain. Team India completely annihilated South Africa by 8 wickets in Johannesburg. And now, business related news. Post Adani takeover, ACC Ambuja Cement EBITDA rose to Rs 1,350 a ton. Reliance biggest wealth creator Adani Enterprises top all-rounder wealth creator, a study said. India's merchandise imported from Oman were at $7.9 billion in financial year 23, led by petroleum product. Science-related news. European Space Agency astronauts shared incredible pictures of icebergs as seen from space. Fast radio bursts are brief and intense energy blasts that are brighter than galaxies' astronomy. And that's all in news. Thank you.